Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming eligibility. Check if you already have a Windows 10 digital entitlement or retail key linked to your Microsoft account. Once done, verify hardware requirements like TPM2, Zero and Secure Boot so activation won't fail later. Make sure you have a Microsoft account and decide a budget. Cheap legal keys often fall in the $0 $50 range when using student, OEM, or refurbished license routes. Now proceed to find legitimate low-cost sellers. Next, search and compare legal channels, authorized resellers, OEM keys tied to hardware, and refurbished PC licenses that are transferred legally. You should also check Microsoft Education or other student/nonprofit discounts that reduce costs substantially. Once you find a candidate, verify seller reputation and license type. OEM is cheaper, but tied to one device, retail is transferable. Make sure the key is genuine and includes proof of purchase. Then prepare to purchase and redeem with your Microsoft account. Finally, complete the purchase and immediately save the receipt and license details. You'll activate in Windows Settings Right Arrow System Right Arrow Activation, or link the digital license to your Microsoft account so you can reactivate after hardware changes. Once activated, verify edition and activation status. If activation fails, use the activation troubleshooter, double-check edition matches the key, and make sure you're online. If problems persist, contact Microsoft support with your proof of purchase.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.